loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you guys what I have recently purchased from Chanel. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. In this channel, I do videos about luxury as well as contemporary items and from time to time some motherhood lifestyle. So if you're into those topics, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, enough intro. And let me show you what I got from Chanel. So, it arrived in this black paper bag, as usual. So I have, like I've mentioned already, unboxed it. So I'm just going to show you what I got inside. So I have received the latest magazine, so it is the issue 25, and then I got the item in here. So it was actually all wrapped up in a ribbon with the camellia flower, but here it is. I'm just going to show you what it is, and it's actually, it wasn't on my wish list, but when it was available I grabbed it because I know that I've always wanted it and I didn't want for the price to increase more and regret buying it afterwards with a lot higher price. So yeah, without further ado, 2 dust bags, and it's the none other than the Chanel Slingbacks in the heels version and in the bi-color tone. So I'm just going to unpack it and then show it to you. So this is how it looks like. Just a lot of papers, and there you have it. That's how it looks on the side, and then at the back, and then in the inner side on the upper part, and that's the back. So that is my very first Chanel Slingbacks in the bi-color and in the size 35.5. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a quick description about the shoe itself. So everything is actually mentioned on the website, but I'm just going to let you know. So this is the Chanel Slingback. It is made with goat skin and gross grain leather, and this one is in the bi-color. Like I've mentioned, this is the beige and the black toe. It has a heel height of 65 millimeters, and in inches it's actually 2.6 inches, and the one that I got, like I have mentioned, is in the size 35.5 C, and this one currently retails around 990 euros. Okay, so now a quick backstory how I got this and why I opted for this size and this color combo. So first and foremost, how I got this, I actually requested through my SA this pair. Well, actually, to be honest, I have been able to try this when I went there and tried and bought my ballerinas in the black leather. I also made a video about that. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as the link in the description down below. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. So yeah, when I tried those ballerinas at that time, she also have this pair in a 35.5 and also in the C, but I was you know, eyeing the ballerinas first. This has always been in my list, but not in my wish list, I know, because it was just at the back of my mind. And then at the end of the day, I was like, you know what? I think I will grab one if there will be an available for me. And especially with the price increases and everything, currently, like I've mentioned, this retails for 990 euros, and we are June of 2023, and I know that for sure it will increase, and almost 1,000 euros already. It's too much for a pair of shoes. So I think if it will be more than 1,000 euros, I will not be able to buy it, or at least I will not be making myself buy it. So that's why the fact that it's still under the 1,000 mark, I was like, okay, this is the last chance that I will give myself the authority to buy it. So yeah, so when I decided to have it, I texted my SA and asked her if they have this available at the boutique, at the Brussels boutique, and she mentioned that no, unfortunately not, but she will order one for me. And then afterwards, she texted me, I think a week or 2 or 3 weeks afterwards, and she told me that she got one. She got the 35.5 C, because even though I have narrow feet, the C is normally for wider feet, but for my part, weirdly enough, with Chanel, I am more on the wider side. So like my ballerinas, I also took 35.5 C, and that's a true to size for me, because I think that if I have the 35.5 normal, that will be too tight in here. So when I got her text message, I fixed an appointment with her, and I have been able to try the heels ones and the flat ones as well. She has been able to get them both, but at the end of the day, I took the heels one because when I tried it, both of them were comfortable, but I decided to take the heels because I know that with the heels I will be able to use it more than the flat one. And also as for the color combo, I wanted the bicolor tone because this is the, you know, the classic and the unique style for the slingbacks, and this was really the style that Coco Chanel have envisioned for a lady shoe. So that's why I wanted this combo, because I already got the black one, all black in the ballerinas, so I opted for this bicolor tones for the heels one. And yeah, so those are the backstory of how I got this pair and why in this size. And how I will wear it in general, I think I'll be wearing it with all of my outfits. It could be a casual as well as a more formal style. That's the one thing that I like about the slingbacks, is that they are very versatile, especially also in this color combo, and that is why I have opted for it. But other than that, I also have another thing that I would like to show you, because before I purchased this slingbacks at the Brussels boutique, I got the chance to visit the Rue Cambon Boutique in Paris, and I was, you know, browsing and wanted to know if they have this pair at my size at Rue Cambon. Unfortunately, this model, the heels one as well as the flat one in this color combo, was out of stock. That's why I was very happy and very glad that my SA got it for me, because it's really a hard to find item. That is also one of the reasons why I grabbed it ASAP once she have been able to source one for me. But when I was at the Rue Cambon, I also, even though I didn't buy any ready to wear, I went and still purchased something because I wanted to have the Rue Cambon experience. And let me show you what I got from Rue Cambon. And just to quickly show you the difference when you buy something from Rue Cambon and from a normal Chanel boutique. From a normal Chanel boutique, you will receive a black paper bag, but when you go to a Rue Cambon, you will receive a white paper bag where it is mentioned Rue Cambon Paris. So let me show you what I got there. And it is a small bag, paper bag, because I actually went to their beauty section. And what I got there is, I have this. This is the Le Beige Eau de Teint. So this is the Water Fresh tint with micro droplet pigments. And what I like about this, it gives you a bare skin effect, natural and luminous, healthy glow, and it has a brush applicator as well. And I got it in the in the color medium. I also have it in a medium dark. So during summer I wear the medium dark, and during winter I wear medium. And from time to time, depending if I got more tanned, I use the medium plus, medium dark. Oh, but yeah. And then if I'm not tan, I use the medium. So this is the one I got. And the second thing that I got is, that's very hard to purchase online, is the Mirror Duo. Sorry. I got the Mirror Duo, and I always wanted to have this. I know that I have purchased this as a gift for my sis for Christmas, and I never got the chance to buy one. And I always wanted it because I think it's so classy. As you can see, it has a pouch, and there's the mirror, and voila, and it has a two-sided mirror. Ta-da! And then like that. See? Voila. So I got the double mirror duo, and I got the Water Fresh tint. And then by buying those, I have received some freebies, and the freebies that I got are, I have this Coromandel. It's a perfume, eau de parfum. So I will be able to try it and let you know if it's nice. And then I also received Le Lion de Chanel, and this is also eau de parfum. And lastly, I got the Gentle Oil. And how do they... Oh, it opens like this. So the Gentle Oil looks, it looks like that. And then the Le Lion de Chanel, how do you open it? Oh, it's like this. Le Lion de Chanel looks like that. Oh my gosh, nice packaging. And then the Coromandel looks like that. There you go. So those were the freebies I received from the boutique, and all in all, my experience from the Rue Cambon Boutique was very nice. The SAs there were very helpful. It was really a very nice experience. And then at the end of the day, I was quite happy that my SA here in Brussels have been able to score me the Slingbacks. So all in all, everything was perfect. Everything was great. So yeah, very happy to have been able to score all of these items. So there you go. So there you go, guys. That was what I have purchased from Chanel, how I got it, and also my experience at Rue Cambon and what I got from that boutique as well. So if you have any questions or about the items that I have shared with you today, feel free to ask them and put it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer you back. So until then, I hope to see you soon on the next video, and take care. Bye.